In this video, we explain how you deposit and withdraw funds from your Admiral Markets trading account. To get started, visit the Admiral Markets website and click Login. Complete the form with your Traders Room account details to log in to Traders Room. Scroll down to the live account where you would like to deposit funds and click Deposit. All of your payment options will be displayed. Depending on your account operation company, these may include bank transfer, Visa and MasterCard, and online payment services. Choose your preferred payment method and follow the prompts to deposit funds. Depending on your payment method, funds may take up to 3 business days to clear. Once they have cleared, your account balance will appear in your Traders Room dashboard next to your live account details. To withdraw funds, start by clicking on the More button next to your live account. Then click the Withdraw link. Choose from the available withdrawal methods on the screen and enter any necessary details. Once you have completed the form, click Confirm. If this is your first time withdrawing funds, you will need to submit additional documents to verify your identity. Once you have submitted your documents, click Finish. Depending on your withdrawal method, funds may take up to 3 business days to clear. Please feel free to contact us with any questions.